Hey guys, come on into the kitchen. We got some pickle brine baked chicken. Oh yeah. Come on, these are the ingredients. All right, so we're gonna take this chicken and wash it and bring it back to the counter because we're going to be marinating it in that dill pickle juice. All right, so our chicken is all clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and put those chicken thighs in the jar. We'll let it marinate for 2 days. That's 48 hours, you guys. In the refrigerator for 2 days, 48 hours. Okay, so it's been 48 hours. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. Let's take and drain the chicken thighs. We're going to pour all of this pickle juice out. And we'll come back to the table and get these seasonings on these thighs. All right, so we're back. Now to these thighs, we're going to be adding a tablespoon of each one of these ingredients. A tablespoon of each one of these ingredients. First one we have is the lemon pepper. And now we have paprika for color. We're using dill weed just to enhance that pickled flavor. And black pepper. So we're going to be massaging all these seasonings into this chicken and making sure we get all those seasonings on top of the skin, on the meat, inside the skin, just all over. You want to make sure you get that seasoning all in that chicken. And then we're just going to lay it into the pan and get ready to bake. The oven is already preheated to 350. We're going to bake these chicken thighs in the oven uncovered for 45 minutes. And once they're done, we'll see you back on the counter so you can see just how they turned out. Oh, yeah. And hit me up in the comment section below and let me know how you like this recipe and if you've done it before. Because we are going to bake these babies up. And look at that. Look at that baked chicken. You see that juice it rendered? And I didn't even put any water or liquid in here. So that's some good meat liquor ready for some rice. Oh, yeah. Subscribe, and get more of my awesome recipes.